What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to expand image using artificial intelligence. So basically how to turn this image into this one, how to make the image complete the possible size of the page even if the image does not have the size. So instead of fixing the image by cutting or cropping, you can enhance the image, you can enlarge the image using AI on Canva. And this is a Pro feature, so we're gonna need the Canva Pro to do this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this with a friend of yours. After this, click into your image, okay, into the design that you want. Make sure that you have the image size that you want. In this case, it's gonna be an Instagram post. This is proportion, so I have the image. I just select it and move it right here, just like this. Now I'm gonna need to click on the image, and we're gonna need to click into the edit button, just like this. Once right here, we're gonna be able to find on Magic Studio a couple of options. Click into this little arrow that is present into the right side of your screen, and right here we're gonna be able to see the Magic Expand. Click on it. Now you can have far from whole page or 101, and one there to go to whole page. Click on expand. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to expand the image or the picture or your illustration maybe. And they're gonna give you 4 possible results. You always can try again if in the case that you don't like the possible results. But normally I got very decent results. This one seems pretty good. This one seems amazing, by the way. So. And this one I did not like, but this one it's almost perfect. Okay, so it's the one I like, so I'm gonna click on done, this purple button, and now I started with this image, a simple one, and got this one. Simple, right? Then you can hit the button called share into the upper right corner of your screen and download your picture. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.